Kids Vision TV.
Hello, today I am drawing another mermaid. Let's draw with me. I am drawing a Barbie mermaid. First I am drawing its hair. This is a Barbie mermaid. I am drawing its body and arms. Then I am drawing its belly and its teeth. I am drawing a waves in her body. Hope you enjoy. I am drawing its neck and its necklace. I am drawing its eyes, nose and lips. Now I am going to color it. Color with me. First I am coloring its face. Now I am coloring its eyes.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring its light blue color. I am coloring its body. Pink color. I am coloring its lip. Now I am going to color its hair. Golden color. I love Barbie. Do you like Barbie? Oh, look at her hair. I love this long hair. I'm going to color butterfly. Golden color. Purple color. Yellow color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Now it's time to color its body with rainbow color, red color. Orange color. I love rainbow teeth. Yellow color. Light green color. It looks so awesome. Pink color. Light blue color. And the last one is indigo color. I am coloring a necklace. Let's again repeat. We are coloring in tail, red color. This is a rainbow tail. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Blue color. last one is indigo. Ta-da!
Subscribe us for more videos.